Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat account. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the support section. For updated version of the Snapchat, you can see the delete account option under account actions. Click on continue. Here, you will be asked to log in with your Snapchat username and password. Once logged in, you'll see the option to delete your account. Just follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Keep in mind that your account will be deactivated for 30 days before it's permanently deleted. If you change your mind, you can reactivate it by logging back in within that time frame. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your Snapchat account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.